Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nominal Investor, and today I'm talking about NIO Stock. Now there was a rally today. It gained about 3.50%, so that's 43 cents. For me, that was a gain of $26 with 62 shares. I'm adding more, don't worry guys. I do only own 62 here, but I have an additional 10 shares in like with Webull and stuff and Mumu. So yeah, I'm gonna keep adding more though. Right now I'm just in the phase where I'm reinvesting most of my money back into YouTube. I'm buying equipment like cameras. Right now I'm buying like a gaming chair and like monitors. So yeah, that's sort of expensive, so I gotta save up for that and invest back into my channel, man. You guys expect quality, and I'm gonna start showing my face in my videos, so I do need a good camera. That's why I haven't bought that many more shares. People expect me to buy like 1,000 shares or something. Like, bro, like I built this account, this Robinhood account, from the ground up to show you guys my journey with investing here on Robinhood, and just grow this out as I grow my YouTube channel alongside. Like, I just want to show you guys the journey and everything. Now look, for this company specifically, NIO Stock, I'm up $114. But one thing I want to point out is that one of the issues that NIO has to get through is being able to scale up quickly, and to be able to not only increase the amount of vehicles they can produce per month, but also like just get more sales. And I've seen that marketing has worked for them. So they actually held an event. This was a couple months back, and in that event they sold a bunch of vehicles within hours of that event airing. So you know, they just gotta be marketing. They gotta make sure the product is good enough, which it is. They're luxury vehicles like the ES6, the ES8, also the EC6, which was just recently released. They look really good. So comparable to the BMW X6 or the Mercedes SUV vehicles. So obviously those are not EV cars, but still, they're trying to go for a luxury type, not only sedan but also SUV. Now look, this is the number of Tesla vehicles delivered from the fourth quarter 2015 to the second quarter of 2020. So usually Tesla, they have more deliveries in quarter four, so during like Christmas time. Usually, with the exception of this one right here, where quarter three in 2016 they had more deliveries than they had in quarter four 2016. That's the only exception. But if you go to quarter four 2015, you also look at quarter four of 2017, 2018, and also 2019, you can see there's a trend. They seem to have more deliveries during the last quarter of the year, for those years, I guess. Also, keep in mind, Tesla has actually posted a fourth straight profit for the past few quarters. So quarter 2 2020, quarter 1, quarter 4, quarter 3. So yeah, quarter 3 being for 2019, quarter 4 2019 as well, where they had a record breaking, they went past the 100,000 mark in deliveries, which is insane for Tesla. Now I think NIO, what they need to do, they need to be able to scale up. NIO is actually doing 10,000 right now. They actually reported 10,000 deliveries for quarter 2, which is not bad at all, guys. That's getting close to that 14,000 number, which is where Tesla was 4 years ago in 2016. For quarter 2, they only delivered 14k vehicles, and that's what Tesla did. So NIO's, they have 10k. They can get up there, man. They can actually scale up to the point where they end up catching up to where Tesla was, towards the end of 2016, which would be amazing. That's like 22,000, 25,000 deliveries per quarter, which if you do the math, you divide that by 4, ends up being like 5,000, I guess, 4,500 vehicles per month being delivered around there. I'm not being exact, but it just depends, I guess, on the month. But yeah, guys, check that out. Also, I have this I want to show you guys this graph right here, man. This is from the Motley Fool. So this is the percentage change in the price of NIO, and as you guys can see, since April 2020, this is just April, just a couple months ago, to now July 2020, you can see that there has been a 233% increase in the stock price. Obviously back here it was around $3 to $4, and now it's at $12, $13. So yeah, what's crazy is that it's gonna keep going up, and people don't see this. People think it's gonna go back to $7. Like, come on, man. Like, this is too much. There's too much momentum. There was a comment on my YouTube channel. Someone was like, man, there's too much momentum. Like, this is the last time, or this month and the past month was the last time you saw, or you will be able to see NIO at $10. And people are saying that there's a lot of support at 11, so $11 to $12. So because there's so much support there, it's going to be hard for the price to go down below that, to go below $9. That would be insane. That would be too much. But yeah, obviously, you gotta be optimistic. You guys gotta look at the positives. I didn't claim last video. I didn't claim that the company was gonna be delisted. I was just talking about a scenario if that was to happen, what would take place. I get a lot of comments on my YouTube videos about NIO, and a lot of people are always asking me, like, what would happen if NIO was to be delisted. Not that I believe that it will. I don't think it will be delisted, as long as they don't have any mess ups. Like, as long as they're reporting everything correctly and everything, like, to the book, they should be good. Just because the HIFI government owns 24% of the company doesn't mean that it should be blacklisted or anything. I think that it should still be accepted as a good EV company. So yeah, definitely don't put it off just because it's a Chinese company, man. That's not right. So here, one thing I want to also address is this is kind of like a joke, but this guy from the TradingView community named eBass Y Market A, he said that it might be happening soon. Now, the reason why this post actually caught my attention is because it got a lot of likes. So got 8 likes and 11 comments. So I was like, man, I'm curious what people think. I like to look at Facebook groups, also the Webull community, and to see what people are saying about these stocks like NIO, which is a very hot stock right now. And this guy even drew an arrow pointing downwards, pretty much betting against the stock, saying to short it. And I don't agree with this. I'm very bullish about NIO. You guys have seen all my videos. I always talk really big when it comes to this company, even though I only own like 70 shares. But I'm gonna add more. Like I said, I'm gonna keep adding more, guys. Just be patient. I gotta get this money. I have a regular job as well. I don't just do YouTube. You guys probably think I just do YouTube or something. Man, I do a lot of stuff. I feel like I do a lot of stuff. I work full time and also do YouTube. So yeah, not that I'm bragging or anything, but I gotta invest my money in other things, not just like into this company. I'm doing crypto right now, so I'm putting a lot of money into XRP, ADA. I'm also putting money into XLM, which is Stellar Lumens. Also, there's a lot of other cryptocurrencies that I want to get into deeply, and I'm hoping to just have a lot of money in that because I really believe in that. So this is the guy that created the bearish post here on TradingView. He said, looks like this idea did not hold in such short time, and the price could actually remain long enough above the resistance to actually break it. It was funny to look at people's comments. At least we had a good laugh together. In my opinion, neither the technicals nor the fundamentals make any sense for this stock, but not everything makes sense in the market anyway. Good luck to all. I agree with that. So he's basically just made this bearish post just to hear people's comments, to see what people would think. A lot of people were kind of like, nah, you gotta long, you can't short this, you gotta go long term with this and hold. Now this is someone being bullish on the TradingView community. They posted this. It caught my attention as well because this post, just like the other one, it has 9 likes, which is a good amount for me to at least look at it. There's not that many comments. I don't know if the guy removed the comments or just no one commented on this, but he's just saying how NIO is on the uptrend, so it could go up. As you guys can see how he drew these lines right here, he's pretty much pointing out the support right here, and then he's basically saying that there's resistance around this price right here, like $15-16. So it could actually move upwards towards the $14-15 range around August, as you can see where the line's headed. But yeah, this was something that I actually kind of agree with this. I think that this company, because they're gonna release how many deliveries there was for this month, July. They're gonna show us that information at the beginning of August. So in a couple of days, that's gonna happen, guys. Keep in mind. So if that's a good number, if that's above 3,700 and above, anything above 4,000 would be great news. That would be amazing, because I'm predicting that's gonna get either to 4,000 or very close to 4,000, which is more than June's numbers. So if that happens, people are going to be bullish. People are going to be like, yep, this company, it keeps on improving month by month, and I think the price is going to go up. It's going to rally even more. It's going to go back up to $14-15. I could see it going up there, and because of the good news. So nonetheless, I do think that this company has a lot of potential, guys. Let me know what you guys think about NIO. Are you guys bearish or bullish on this company? How many shares do you own? Do you own over 100 shares? Are you planning to trade options with this or what? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any suggestions for any other videos that I should do on my channel, that I should talk about, let me know in the comments as well. I really want to hear your opinions on this. And yeah, definitely check out the links also in the description if you guys want to get free stocks. Don't miss out on that. Literally, Webull and Robinhood, you guys can get a free stock for signing up with my links. Definitely do that if you're new to investing. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.